Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course in today's tutorial guys, if you have a TCL TV, I'll show you how you can troubleshoot problems with your internet connection. So I'm going to show you to use the built-in feature to actually go ahead and check your internet connection. Alright, so just in case your TV is set up, you can actually use this method to see if you have internet or to see if the connection is working properly. So go ahead. From your home screen, you're going to go all the way over. You're going to go to the gear icon upper right. You're going to go to all settings, and then you're going to go to network and internet. And as you can see here, and we're going to go all the way down. You're going to see this option here that says check internet connection. Now this feature is a built-in network test, and notice it will diagnose your problem. So that's your device as a monitor or display. And of course to check the connection to the router and the router to the internet, and hopefully it will tell you what's happening. So it says router connection failed, so right away it can tell you what to check. So it says please check your connection. So the connection you should check in this case of mine is that it has checked communication between the TV and the router and there's no communication, and it has failed that check, and of course it will go ahead and diagnose the problem. If it connects to the router and there's no internet, it will give you a different error. Just showing you this problem can help you a lot in diagnosing your problem. So for example, if I were to turn on my Wi-Fi here and I go back to check connection, you notice it's trying to connect to the router, and there you go, it shows that it's connected to the router, which was off since I had turned off the Wi-Fi just to demonstrate. But notice the internet connection failed, meaning that the router doesn't have a active internet connection, so that has failed. So it says please check the connection. So in that case, you'd have to reset your router or call your service provider to have your internet connection checked. And of course, it's a great way of troubleshooting to give you exactly what's wrong until you can reestablish connection. Alright, do hope this was useful. Faster way to get to it would be, for example, if I try to launch anything that's internet related. So for example, if I try to launch an app, if it doesn't connect, sometimes you'll give it an option, so you can go to check the connection. For example, here's the exact error. This one is on YouTube. Notice it gives you the option. So some apps will give you this option where you can have where it says open network settings. Open network settings, where it will take you directly to the connection where you can check the connection again. So do hope this was useful. As always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, and bye until next time. Bye.